I'm a religious person, and so we have like an idea of what afterlife is. But I struggle with it sometimes, and I really resonate with how we celebrate it for Matariki.
One of the really cool parts about Matariki is that it invites everyone to prepare for the future, celebrate the present, and remember the past. And I can see you have some photos there. So who are you remembering this Matariki?
So I'm remembering my Nana Carol and my two great-grandparents. They were the heads of our family. They're the reason we are who we are. And in this photo is my brother-in-law. Ryan's passing had such an impact on me, and so I intentionally try to remember him. Ryan was just such a goof, and yeah, when I think of Ryan, I think of like one time we were driving my mum and he was just like joking around and we were just having like the best time, we were laughing. So I like to remember that moment with him. What I like about Matariki, it's the Pohutakawa style. I like that story. I like that, you know, there's a connection to them still. I think the anniversaries can be filled with a lot of sadness, but with Matariki, I think it's more encouraging that the happier side of it, of grief and loss. This Matariki, I'll be remembering my loved ones.